Hi friends, good morning. Today I am going to teach you English to Arabic language. Let's start. I in Arabic ana. You in Arabic for man inta. You for woman inti. He in Arabic huwa. She in Arabic hiya. They in Arabic home. No in Arabic mafi. Same thing, no in Arabic lah. And next one, no in Arabic mo. Mo also no, okay. S is sah. Sah means S. Sah means S. Front, giddam. Back, ora. Good. Jain or quiz. Jain or quiz is same thing. It means good, okay. No good or bad, it means mafi jain. Mafi jain or mafi kois. Mafi jain and mafi kois is same thing in Arabic language. It means bad or no good, okay. And then fast. Fast means surah. In Arabic, surah. Slowly. In Arabic, soya. And then happy. In Arabic, Saeed, okay. Angry. In Arabic, Jalan. And then in Arabic, jua or dakhil. Jua and dakhil is same thing in Arabic language, okay. Some country saying jua for inside and some country saying for inside dakhil, okay. Out, barra. Up, pok. All is kullu. Kullu is all. Kullu in English all, okay. Only one. Only one means bas wahid. Bas means only, wahid means one, okay. Bas wahid, it means only one. Now, alhin. Now means alhin. Before. Before means gabbal or awal. Gabbal or awal is same thing, okay. Before and in Arabic, gabbal or awal. Anything you can say gabbal and awal, okay. After. After means bad. Bad in English, after, okay. Where in Arabic, when. Who, it means mean in Arabic, mean, okay. Why. Why it in Arabic, less. Less means why. And when. When it means mita. Mita in English, when, okay. And before yesterday. Before if yesterday, it means gabbal hams. Gabbals means before, hams means yesterday. That's why before yesterday it means gabbal hams. Okay. Yesterday. Yesterday is hams. Hams means yesterday. Today. Today aliyom. Aliyom in English, today. Tomorrow. Tomorrow in Arabic, bukra or bazar. Bazar and bukra is same thing in Arabic language, okay. If you want to tell in Arabic tomorrow, you can tell bukra and bazar. Bukra and bazar, anything, anyone, bukra or bazar, okay. After tomorrow it means bad bukra. Bad means after, bukra means tomorrow. It means bad bukra in English, after tomorrow. Eat, akil, okay. Anything you eat in Arabic, akil. Drink. Drink means sarab, okay. Sarab in Arabic language, in English, drink, okay. Sleep. Sleep in Arabic language, noom. And then do. Anything you do, that in Arabic language, sabi. Sabi means do, okay. And say kalam. Kalam in English, say. Say and kalam is same thing, that is say, okay. And look. Look means suf. Suf in Arabic language, and look is English language. In Arabic language, for look is suf, okay. Sit. Sit in Arabic language, gad. Gad or ijlis. Ijlis and gad is same thing, same meaning, okay. This in Arabic, hada. Hada it means this, okay. Here in Arabic, hena. Ana or minni. Ana or minni is same thing in Arabic. Okay, there. There means hunak or minnak. Here, ina or minni. For there, hunak or minnak. Okay, and take care. Take care, derbalak. Okay, derbalak in Arabic. Take care in Arabic, derbalak. Do well. Do well means sabbi jain. Sabbi means do. Jain means good. Okay. Do jain. Okay. Do well. It means in Arabic language sabbi jain or sabbi kois. Sabbi jain or sabbi kois is same meaning. Car in Arabic language sayyara. Okay. And then plane in Arabic language tayyara. Tayyara is plane in Arabic language tayyara. Okay. Taskira means ticket. Okay. Ticket means bus ticket, car ticket, plane ticket is same thing. That is in Arabic language called taskira. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.